In this video, I'll show you how you can convert your images into viral funny videos in few seconds. This is mind-blowing. You don't need to pay for video editing. Let me show you how to do that. Welcome to Rey Content Lab, your go-to source for tips, reviews and insights on the best online and AI tools to help you grow and streamline your online business. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content that will elevate your workflow and success. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Upload your photo. Go to Image to Video in Viva. Upload a headshot. Could be your own, your friend's, or even a famous painting. Set your desired aspect ratio and click Confirm. Wait about 30 seconds for the magic to happen. Step 2. Add the wink effect. Click on the wink button. Pick a funny video template or upload your own silly clip. Hover over the image to preview the funny expressions. Step 3. Create and download. Click Generate and wait another 30 seconds. Once it's done, make the video bigger to enjoy your creation. Download your funny video as an MP4 or GIF file. And that's it. You've just turned a simple photo into a hilarious video. Animate your selfies, prank your pals, or make historical figures pull goofy faces. The fun is endless. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Like, share and turn on the notification button for more videos.